So this is basically the advanced Ho'oponopono segment that we have been covering, and we did a live exercise on last Friday. But from today also, we will be only doing the direct execution of certain real life situations, and we will be diluting a lot of negative, not negative, but unwanted emotions with the help of advanced Ho'oponopono. So from today onwards, everything that we would be sharing a list with each other, we would be just doing the live execution during our session. So it's going to be very interesting. At the same time, I did promise that I will be giving you the repository of the complete access to my repository of all the real life situations where advanced Ho'oponopono has been used for all my batches so far. So whatever recordings I have, I will be giving it to you, but not now. Master your advanced Ho'oponopono first, because I know once you get the script, you will just switch on the script and start doing it. So master your advanced Ho'oponopono for a few more days. Maybe by end of this week, I will give you the access. Right? So with that, let's just start with a grand success story of Anupama. Yes, Anupama. So Anupama is one of our rock stars, and she has already done a lot of success stories on her manifestations, and you would see her in our playlist in YouTube also. We have already created it. Now let's hear from her. What is the success story right now?
So, for the benefit of everyone who probably have seen me for the first time today, I probably got associated with her last June or maybe July, right? And that was a real low point in my life where it's been transferred. My dad was diagnosed with an advanced stage of cancer, and I was in a different zone at that point of time. And one of these days, while scrolling through my feeds on Facebook, I just happened to come, to one of the feeds, which was a free seminar of Ho'oponopono. And I was like, okay, try कर लेते हैं, क्या ही जाएगा. And believe you me, उस दिन आधा सेमिनार मैंने ऐसे ही सुन लिया. I was just lying down on my bed and चल रहा था. But suddenly we did an exercise and tears were rolling down my eyes. उसके बाद next day उसका सेमिनार का second part था. I again logged into that seminar. और उस दिन मैं बाहर थी. पता नहीं मुझे क्या हुआ, मैं भाग भाग के घर पे आई. मैं अपने वॉशरूम के बाहर बैठी कि यहाँ पे कोई नहीं आएगा, और मैं वहां पे वो पूरा सेमिनार अटेंड कर रही थी. Something just changed in me, and constantly I was crying. In spite of everything, जब भी मैं क्लासेस अटेंड करती थी तो कुछ ना कुछ चेंज होता था. और till date, I may not be very regular in the live classes, but I have not missed the exercise for a single day. Even when I was hospitalized, I was exercising there also. My promotion had been long overdue. So this time around, and Mo knows all the challenges that I faced in this particular branch. I did not even have staff. Like 7 लोगों का काम मैं अकेले कर रही थी of sorts. And till December, मेरे पूरे साल के टारगेट शायद पूरे कंट्री में लोएस्ट में से होंगे, राइट? बट आई वाज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट कि मैं एंड तक कर लूंगी. जनवरी की स्टार्टिंग में माय बॉस एंड माय सुपर बॉस हु वर लाइक रियली सपोर्टिव, वो दोनों चेंज हो गए. फिर मेरी एकदम से हो गई. मैंने कहा अब क्या होगा, इनको तो पता था, बाकी जो नए आएंगे फॉर देम इट वुड बी जस्ट माय MIS. आई वुड बी एज गुड और एज बैड एज द नंबर्स ऑन द डेटा शीट. So then I told them कि look, I understand कि right now it may not be very looking very bright, but believe you me, I'll change it. So they said कि we don't have any other option but to believe you. And then I've never been an ops person, so मुझे अपने audit का बहुत डर लग रहा था, because I had to learn, implement everything. वो भी निकल गया, satisfactory नहीं, good आया वो भी. उसके अलावा मेरे सारे टारगेट्स ओवर अचीव्ड है. लाइक पूरे जोन में आई थिंक देयर शुड बी ओनली 2 branches, and mine was like even more special because December तक I was an underdog. And suddenly, you know, it is like 83 का World Cup के suddenly एक टीम जिसको वापस भेजा जा रहा है वो जीत के लेके आ गई World Cup. And today I suddenly got a mail क्योंकि I've been transferred to a much bigger branch, and because of that bigger branch my job size is met. In June we have our appraisal, so this time around I am in the simulation. Last year my rating was 1. This year again, because all my targets are met, I am expecting a 1. My job size is met, so you know, I should be getting promoted as well. So, and the best part is everyone this time around was batting for me. You know, the whole universe was of sorts conspiring for me.
Inspiring, yeah.
So more thank you so much. वो एक चीज मतलब बीच में obviously यार JFM is like crazy. Morning 8 o'clock till 9:30, 10 o'clock I was just working. Yesterday the banks were open, so we were working yesterday. There's no छुट्टी, कुछ नहीं, मैं डेली काम कर रही थी. एंड कई बार बहुत भारी लगता था, यूं लगता था कि एंजाइटी हो रही है, कुछ दबा हुआ है, तो उसी समय में EFT करने बैठ जाती थी, you know.
Very good.
Every morning your videos have been such a great help, morning and at night. ये दो टाइम होते थे when you know, like, अच्छा है मेरा हस्बैंड नहीं है, otherwise he would have been really jealous of you because my morning starts with your videos, my day ends with your videos. So thank you so much.
I mean, you don't have to worry on that. Maybe coaching में मैं वो भी handle करना सिखा देती. How to balance. One-on-one coaching में.
No, but dude, seriously, thank you so much because मैं ये तान नहीं निकाल पाती बिना आपके.
No, I do remember your tough days where you used to feel like there are no hands and legs and you have to, you know, function full-fledgedly. I do remember those days, but I'm so proud. I mean, you always make us proud, by the way.